Welcome to this quick searching guide by the Cambridge University Faculty of Education library staff. In this video, we will show you some quick searching and thesaurus techniques using the British Education Index database. Start on the library Moodle site. This is the hub where you will find all of the library resources and services available to you. Click on the Education Databases icon, which will take you to the Databases page of the Literature Searching Guide. The Literature Searching Guide has steps for planning your search and links to access our recommended education databases. It shows you the coverage of each database and what it's good for. We'll use the British Education Index. Click on the Accents link and log in with Raven. For our example search, we're trying to investigate the effects of ability grouping within a mathematics classroom. Instead of searching the entire sentence, we need to break down our search into key terms. Those are ability group and mathematics. From the database, click thesaurus. If the database you're using has an interface like this, it's probably hosted by EBSCO. EBSCO databases will all look and function the same way, but they have different overall scopes. They also have different thesauruses, so try not to assume that the same terms will work in every database. Type the first key term, ability group, and then click Browse. This will show the exact terms used by this particular database. Click Ability Grouping Education to see more about this term and its related terms. Each term may include scope notes, which will tell you how this database defines the term you clicked. It will also include broader, narrower, and related terms. Tick the boxes next to the terms you'd like to use in your search. Ensure you limit the selections to those terms that all relate to the same concepts, and remember to check the scope notes for each term to ensure it's appropriate to use. Once you've ticked all of the relevant terms, click Add, and then click Search. These are the results that show all of the articles that include our ability grouping terms. These aren't necessarily about mathematics though, so let's add the second set of terms. Click Thesaurus. Don't worry, we didn't lose our search terms. We'll use the search history to get our first terms back in a bit. Double check that nothing is in the search box before we start the second search. You can click this X to make sure your search box is clear. Type our second term, in this case mathematics, and then click Browse. Then click Mathematics Education. This time, instead of taking each term individually, I'll show you the explode function. This adds every narrower term in the list to our search. Be careful with the explode function. It can pull in relevant terms, so just double check that the terms you're adding are relevant. Tick the box to the right of Mathematics Education, then click Add, and then click Search. Here are our results. Now we need to combine both sets of terms. Click Search History. Clear your search box, and then tick both sets of terms. Now click Search with AND. Boolean operators are used in most databases to assist with narrowing and broadening searches. Our previous searches used OR, which finds results containing any and all of the terms we searched. This search is using AND, which only finds results that contain something from each of the searches we're using. Using OR is very broad, using AND is narrow. Scroll down to see the combined results. We now have a manageable list of articles that are relevant to both of our search terms from our initial question. So, good luck with your searches! If you'd like more information about literature searching, check out our Literature Searching Guide from the library Moodle site, and don't hesitate to get in touch if you have any further questions. Thanks!